Mastering the oil change process for your Ford Raptor. Welcome to today's tutorial where we'll guide you through changing the oil in your Ford Raptor, ensuring your engine runs smoothly. First, gather your tools and the correct oil type. You'll need a wrench, an oil filter wrench, a new oil filter, and oil. Make sure your Raptor is parked on a level surface. Turn off the engine and allow it to cool for safety. Locate the oil drain plug under the truck. Place your oil catch pan beneath it, then carefully remove the plug. After the old oil has drained, replace the drain plug. Now, remove the old oil filter using your oil filter wrench. Apply a bit of new oil to the gasket of your new filter before installing it. Hand tighten it securely without over-tightening. Finally, add the new oil for the engine's fill hole. Check the level with the dipstick, ensuring it's within the safe range. Congratulations! You've successfully changed the oil in your Ford Raptor. Remember to responsibly dispose of the old oil and filter.